We develop combustion technology for heating processes in the steel industry.
AGA was interested in having a burner nozzle that's made of our iron chromium aluminum material. The benefit is that it has very good high temperature corrosion resistance against oxidation and a very good high temperature strength, especially in the temperature range above 1000 Celsius degrees.
It's a replacement for an existing burner nozzle.
By introducing 3D printing or additive manufacturing, you are basically adding a lot more possibilities of how to form this material into different shapes and how to develop products with this material. The cooperation with AGA actually started in the middle of our AM development.
Both parties going into this project found it a learning experience.
We have provided AGA with the first prototype and they fired off in the lab, which looks quite good.
The speed of it and the way of finding new geometries, I think, is one of the most important things with additive manufacturing.
So it's fantastic. I see a lot of possibilities in the future.